Hey, what's up? This is my updated bike check on my United Recruit frame. So I just got a couple new parts on it. I have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals in red. These are actually on my old bike, and my stock United pedals, they were just worn down. So yeah. But pretty much, I still have the Animal GLH tire on the back, Poverty cassette hub, Lacer nitrous rim, Animal pivotal seat, and Poverty pivotal seat post. Now up here is where I have all my new stuff. These are the proper TTL bars, 8.25 rise, 28 width. Love these bars, big, wide. Has the Odyssey V3 elementary stem. Amazing stem. I love this thing to death. The only thing I don't like is the spacers down there, but whatever. Awesome stem, pretty cool. I still have the Kenda Contact 2.25 tire on the front. I just ordered these the Odyssey Classic Race Forks, and oh, I love them so much. They're lightweight, but they're super strong, so I like them, and it makes my bike look cooler. So this is my bike. As you saw the other one, this is just an update. Just go ahead and comment. Tell me what you think about my bike. Later.